जालिमों ने जो बात इनसे कही गई थी इसे दूसरी बात से बदल दिया तो हमने इन पर आसमान से अजाब भेजा क्योंकि वो जुल्म करते थे। And mention, O Muhammad, when it was said to them, devil in this city of eat from it where our you will, and say, relieve us of our burdens and enter the gate bowing humbly, we will then forgive you your sins. You will increase the doers of good in goodness and reward. But those who wronged among them changed the words to statement other than that which had been said to them. So we sent upon them a punishment from the sky for the wrong they were doing.
صدق الله العظيم.